Have you ever wondered how makeup artists achieve that flawless, just applied look that lasts all day? The secret isn't just about the foundation or the powder, it's about what comes last. Let us dive into the world of setting sprays and discover how this magic mist can completely transform your makeup routine. The concept of setting makeup isn't new. For centuries, performers on stage used various methods to keep their heavy stage makeup from melting under hot lights. From rice powder to more rudimentary mixtures, the goal has always been the same: longevity. But it wasn't until recently that this professional trick became a staple in everyone's makeup bag. Modern setting sprays evolved from these theatrical beginnings, refined by cosmetic science into the lightweight, effective formulas we have today. They create an invisible, flexible film over your makeup, locking everything in place. So, how exactly does it work? Think of your makeup as individual layers of pigment and product. Without a setting spray, these layers can shift, smudge, or be absorbed by your skin throughout the day, especially if you have oily skin or live in a humid climate. When you miss a setting spray over your finished look, it works by creating a protective barrier. The polymers in the formula form a fine mesh over your face. This mesh holds your makeup particles together, preventing them from moving or breaking down due to sweat, oil, or environmental factors. It's like a top coat for your face, ensuring that your carefully applied masterpiece stays exactly where you put it. But setting sprays do more than just lock in your look. One of their most amazing benefits is their ability to meld all your makeup layers together. Have you ever finished your makeup and felt it looked a bit too powdery or cakey? You've got your foundation, concealer, blush, and bronzer, but they all seem to be sitting on top of your skin rather than becoming one with it. A few spritzes of setting spray can instantly solve this. The fine mist lightly dampens the surface, breaking down any powdery residue and helping all the products seamlessly blend into one another and into your skin. The result is a more natural, skin-like finish that looks less like you're wearing makeup and more like you just have incredible skin. Now, let's talk about finding the right spray for your face type, because not all sprays are created equal. If you have oily skin, your main battle is against shine and makeup breakdown. You'll want to look for a setting spray with a mattifying finish. These formulas often contain ingredients that help absorb excess oil and control shine throughout the day. They create a smooth, velvety finish that keeps you looking fresh, not greasy. On the flip side, if you have dry skin, a mattifying spray can make your skin feel tight and look even drier. Instead, you should opt for a hydrating or dewy setting spray. These are formulated with moisturizing ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid. They not only set your makeup, but also provide an extra boost of hydration, giving your skin a healthy, luminous glow and preventing your makeup from settling into any dry patches. For those with combination or normal skin, you have a bit more flexibility. You can choose a spray based on the finish you prefer. Want a more natural satin finish? A classic setting spray will work perfectly. Feeling a bit dull and want a radiant look? Go for a dewy spray. Need extra oil control just in your T-zone? You could even use a mattifying spray just in that area. The key is to understand what your skin needs and what kind of finish you want to achieve. Application technique is also crucial for getting the best results. The biggest mistake people make is spraying too close to their face. This can result in large droplets that disrupt your makeup instead of setting it. The golden rule is to hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches away from your face. Think of an arm's length. Close your eyes and mouth, then mist your face in an X and T motion. This ensures an even, light distribution of the product across your entire face. 2 to 4 spritzes are usually enough. You want a fine, even mist, not a drenching. After spraying, let it air dry completely. Don't touch or fan your face, as this can disturb the film as it sets. Just be patient for a minute, and you'll be rewarded with a look that's locked in and ready for anything. Setting spray isn't just for the end of your routine either. Here's a pro tip. You can use it at multiple stages. Try spritzing a little on your foundation brush or sponge before blending your foundation for extra staying power. You can also spray your eyeshadow brush with a bit of setting spray before dipping into a shimmery or metallic shadow. This intensifies the pigment, giving you a foiled, high-impact look that won't crease or fade. It essentially turns any powder eyeshadow into a long-wearing, liquid-like formula. This technique works wonders for making glitter shadows stick without fallout. From the stage to your vanity, the evolution of setting spray has given us a powerful tool. It's the final essential step that ties everything together, ensuring your makeup looks just as good at the end of the day as it did when you first applied it. It's about more than just longevity. It's about achieving a seamless, flawless finish that enhances your natural beauty. By choosing the right formula for your skin type and mastering the application technique, you can elevate your makeup game from good to truly professional. It's that simple final touch that makes all the difference.